On the second day, we woke up, went downstairs, and got ourselves some breakfast. It was just, continental type breakfast, cereals, juices, eggs, some biscuits, gravy, that kind of stuff. It was actually pretty good, but it was a microtel. We then got our stuff together, went down, checked out, and left the hotel and started on the road again. So we invite you to come along with us for our second leg of our trip to Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia area to be specific. Forgot to show you what we ate, but here's the aftermath. It was good. This is one of their Gold Award-winning facilities. Not quite sure what that means, but there you go. And here we are at room 155. See if this works and what we have inside. So, there we go. Nope, it doesn't work. Oh no, we have a problem. There it goes. And here's the bathroom. Plenty of towels. Whoa, huge mirror. Nice size tub. Hair dryer. Ooh, nice size beds. And it comes with its own family, as you see. Boop. We have TV, a microwave, and a refrigerator. Yep. And we have a nice little desk with a chair. Oh, and a nice little chair over there, a comfy chair. Nice. Well, that about does it for day 2 of our trip. That was the road trip. We finally made it to the Atlanta, Georgia area, and I'm very happy about that. So come along with us for tomorrow when we actually start visiting places, and we get to bring you along. So that'll be exciting. So thank you for being patient with us. We're here, we're having fun, or we're going to have fun anyway. after I get a good night's sleep. So until then, have a great day. I am so tired.